Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Sonali from It Starts at Home and
Vivaan from It Starts at Home.
yes, so I have this little guest with us today who, when I was trying to record and I thought maybe he's in the room and why not have him in the frame. I'm actually in his room. I created something for you guys, and I was thinking that I had so many questions from all the moms saying that if we do not have dot stickers, if we do not have cardstock papers, how can we create activities every day? So I'm sharing daily worksheets for kids 4+, and I'm gonna also tell you how you can adapt the same activity for your 6-year-old, for your 7-year-old, according to what they have been doing and what they have been learning. So without getting delayed, let's get started. Vivaan, do you want to say something?
Well, I was just getting my monkey because it was right behind me, but actually, I'm gonna use something else as a pillow.
As a pillow? What do you want to use as a pillow?
No, monkey is a pillow, and this is a stuffed animal.
Okay, what were you doing in your room? What were you reading?
I was reading Chronicles of Narnia, the first book.
Okay, did you eat your breakfast already? Did you eat your breakfast already? What's the answer?
No.
Oh my god. Guys, it's almost 9. Yeah, it's 9:20. Is it 9:20? Yeah, it's 9:20 and he has been reading and he was not eating his food. So I would say that you guys please leave a comment telling Vivaan that it's important to have breakfast in the morning and not read books.
Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and
comment on our video. We make all these activities with a lot of love, and we try and make sure that all the activities that we try and share with you guys are super easy and doable. Right, Vivaan?
yeah, I even pointed to you and did a check mark. I'm just doing it.
Okay, so let's get
You guys
started.
know.
Okay, so let's get started now. So guys, to make these activities, you would need a plain paper or a notebook, some pens, colored sketch pens, whatever you have, and any of your child's very old sticker book that has left with a couple of stickers. If you have been on our channel, we have been using this book since Vivaan was 2, and I'm telling you, this is so far or by far my favorite sticker book. And I keep using them over and over and over again, and I still use the same 1000 stickers, playtime stickers. And let me show you what I created with these. Okay, let me get these pens and everything off. I swear by Sharpies, I think they are extremely amazing. Let me show you what I have created first and how am I gonna use the same activity for my 7-year-old. So write the number in the following box. What I've done, I have randomly created a heart with some checker boxes, and I have just put the dots. Okay, so which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what the child needs to do, he needs to look at the dots, and then he needs to write the number either on top or below or on the left or the right, wherever the space is available. So it's a very simple activity. Now how am I going to implement the same activity for my 6-year-old? Wait and watch. Okay, so if this is 6, okay, he has to multiply 6 with 2, and then he needs to write an answer here. Then he needs to do 6 into 3, write an answer here. 6 into 5, answer here. 6 into 4, answer here. 6 into 1, answer here. So that's how I'm going to use the same activity for my 7-year-old. That's crazy, right? Okay, let me show you another one. Okay, now this is the ice cream cones that I've made, and you would have seen these activities on my previous videos like many times, something similar. So what I've done today is I've added a coding element right here. Fill in the cones with desired number of scoops. So there are 6 scoops here, and there are 6 stickers on the top. The orange one denotes 1, so the child needs to just make 1 here. For the second one, the number is 2. He needs to make 2 circles. Either they can put 2 cotton balls, they can put 2 pom-poms, they can put 2 caps, they can use the pencil or a Sharpie or anything, like just to make 2 circles. Okay, if your child is at a little bigger age, you can either add a number before or afters, and they can make smaller circles to just add the number of scoops. For Vivan, I'm going to turn it into either multiplication or a bigger digit addition number. So it could be 2 and then down maybe 20, maybe here 10, maybe here 15, or maybe 2 into 6, 4 into 8. So like that, you can use the same activity and just make it a top notch. Now for this one, what you need to do is you need to tell the child find number 9. So the child would be finding number 9. It's right here. Now you have to tell the child find what comes after 9. Okay, what comes after 9? They need to find, whereas after 9 is 10. Now you can say what comes before 10? 9. What comes before 9? 8. You could always start with 1, or you could start with anything, and you can keep going over and over again. You can make this and you can cut the same thing, and you can tell the child to match the numbers too. Now how am I gonna do the same thing with Vivan? I'm gonna like add a number before or after here, and then there'll be a plus sign, and then he would need to plus all of these. Then he needs to either plus all of these, minus. So I'm going to like add the same thing to make the 4 plus activities for my 7-year-old. I think there is one activity definitely missing from here, which I am not sure where did it go, but there is one more here. Okay, so there is another one which says count and write. So I have definitely put these stickers randomly. You can use stars or circles or spirals just to create them, and there is a reason I have not put them in a sequential order, because this is how the kids in random numbers, they'll be able to just count very quickly. So what they have to do, they have to just count and write, count and write, count and write, count and write. So once Vivan will count this and this, I'm going to put a multiplication sign. He needs to write the answer either here or here. Then the same thing goes here. Or what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the sticker here, and I would say blue denotes 2. So this is going to be addition of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's great, right? The last activity that I'm going to show you is write the beginning sound. So I have used these stickers from the book, which was like lying down and nobody was using it. I've put the picture, find the beginning sound. So look at the picture first, say it aloud, write the sound in capital letters, then write the complete word again. So 4 things are happening here. They're looking at the picture, identifying. Okay, you can always tell them to write the color also if you want to add in here. Then say the picture aloud. They say fish. When they write fish for here, they look at the same thing and they rewrite it here. So you are at the same time working on the spellings. So like this, there are 6 stickers that I've put here. Sorry, 5. Alright, now this one is match the correct pair, and what I've done is I've taken the random stickers, whatever the best I could from the book, and let me show you how it goes. You see a polar bear? Where do you find a polar bear? Somewhere which is with ice. There's a tree which is filled with ice. It goes right here. Okay, now the road roller is going to roll this out, correct? She needs a dress, tree and bowl. He is actually going to eat the tree leaves. And the tiara goes here with the queen. So there were so simple activities, guys, that I've shown, and I've tried telling you that it's very easy. And if you need printables for these, I can definitely upload them. Just leave a comment saying that you would need them, and I can definitely share the link with you. Guys, if you really like this video and if you think I should be doing more of such kinds, giving you more worksheets on daily basis for this age group, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up and do share our stuff with your family member and friends. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.